Hello guys. So today is the last day in May, which is 31st of May 2020. So next week will be, if God wills, will be June. Now I choose this subject, how to get high percentage stocks profits. It's a big subject, and the whole these live sessions I try to do my best to explain a lot of things that it is related to trading. A lot of things people know, they are just myths, they are not facts, and if you rely on a myth, you will have a problem. Hey, hola Pablo, how are you? So so as I told you, how to get high percentage stocks profits. So these kind of stocks, there are many kinds. Okay, there are many kinds. A lot of people they know because it is very well known. Okay, like penny stocks, most of the people they know. So hello Pablo, hello Saba, hello Shikar Sud, hello Fabian, hello Duna, thank you very much for coming. So as I told you, Shikar Sud and hello Top Series. I will answer your questions later when I finish my because guys, what I do here at first, I see what you have written and what you are writing, but before I will try to do my best to explain the lesson, and then we can discuss whatever. Okay, now when we say high percentage, it means a stock that you make more money than the usual stocks. Okay, hello Abir Khan, how are you? So a lot of people see penny stocks, but understand penny stocks, because the volume is so low, okay, stocks can move faster, because with 100,000 or 200,000, stocks can move too much. It can even double. Okay, if you take another big stock, 100 to 200, and you give 100,000 volume or 200, it might go $1 or 1% or so. It doesn't go that much. Okay, now hello Adolfo. So you know penny stocks, most of the people they know, but in usual, almost there are a lot of stocks, they behave like penny stocks, but they are not penny stocks. For example, you take a stock that it is $10, $20, $200, okay, and they move fast, so they behave like penny stocks, but they are not penny stocks. So take this idea from your head that only penny stocks can go faster. Now I have showed you last week an example of Tesla. In few months, in 1 month or 2 or 3, it goes 300%. 300%. You can see it in penny stocks easier than a big stock like this. So now what makes stocks go so wild? Why? It's just people. There are a lot of day traders who trade daily these stocks. There are some swing traders. There are some positions traders. There are even some investors who they got recommendations to buy on that time. The same as a swing trading. The same. Okay? That's why you see these kind of stocks go so wild in a shorter time. Okay? So and industries, most of the time, not all the time, most of the time, drug companies, technology companies, healthcare companies, a lot of these kind of stocks, some of them move too fast. But this is just something. But stocks that are alone, you can find them in any industry, in any sector. Okay? So it doesn't mean that only drug companies or technology stocks or healthcare stocks that they go faster. You go to them. No. In the whole market, sometimes some industries they buy it too much because of the news, because of recommendations. Understand? Duna said gas prices are increasing at the gas station. Should we invest in the energy sector? Listen, Duna, focus on the price. If something is moving, jump. If you succeed, it's a good. If not, you tried, and it's very good. Both of the thing, it's good, because you don't in the future. You don't want to have remorse, or you regret you don't get in on time. Okay? But I will show you later the energy stocks for Duna. I will show it to you, and we will speak about that. Okay? But Duna, since you are my student, please send me an email. You have sent me an email. Send me another email about indexes or ETFs or stocks, and we will discuss this tomorrow, if God wills. Okay? Now, hello Ramin Alazov. So, since we are speaking about stocks with high percentage, we say penny stocks, and then we say some kind of stocks in drug sector, and in healthcare sector, and in technology sector in general. And there are other stocks that belong to any industry. Even banks, credit cards, sometimes they go so wild, especially IPOs. Okay? Sometimes in industry, it has been bought a lot. You see that this industry or this sector is pushed too much. Because I understand that a lot of people have money, but they don't know how to trade, how to invest. So they listen to that guy, and they put their money there, and they wait and they see. Hello, Rahmatullah. So, you know, this stock market is always mixed with opinions. But whenever people, they like something, it goes wild. And there is like a bubble. A bubble, which means people, they love something, they hear a lot of news, and everybody is buying, but they don't know why they are buying. This is because it's good. And this, you find it, for example, in TV. And most of you, you know someone, or you know a session, or you know a mission, or TV, like news, and they speak too much about company. Oh, this company, they might double, they might triple. So they force people to buy on the prediction of some good about this company, and the people, they just go and buy. Okay, they have no strategy, they don't know how to invest, they have no idea about the sector, they don't know how to do investing, they don't know how to go to fundamentals to see this company is good or bad, or it has loans. They don't know anything, they just follow the crowd. Okay, now let's drink some coffee. Before we go into details, let's go to penny stocks. Penny stocks, there are two kinds of penny stocks. There are some penny stocks that are manipulated. I have made a video like many years ago about this kind of stocks. Okay, so these kind of stocks are manipulated by scammers, traders. They are scammers. Okay, so there is one guy who sent me an email and he asks me how to do this scam. that is funny from him. I say, man, I am not a scammer to scam people, and I don't do that in order to show you. I know a lot about everything in trading. I know a lot, but it's not what I do. For me, I do the regular thing. Okay, I can make my money easily with trading. I don't need scams or manipulation, because those guys generally they are not traders. They are, as you might know, manipulators. And in the history of manipulation, it's a lot of scams. You hear some people who I have given the other time the story, but this is investing. This guy, he collected $80 billion from investors. Do you understand what does it mean, $80 billion? Because the people, since they don't know how to invest in stocks, they don't want to study investing, they don't want to learn, they won't just have the money, send it to someone. They tell them only 10% each year. Do you understand? Because they say, if we give our money to bonds, treasury bonds or municipal bonds, they give us 2% or 5% or 6%, 3%. So it's not enough. We want someone who gives us more. So 10% is the ideal thing for investing. Ideal thing, 10%. If you get 10% each year, okay, I think in 7 years you double your money, I guess. Okay, but don't think about $10,000 or $100,000. These people, they have millions, they have billions, but they don't know how to invest. That's why they need someone who is very famous, who has a very large record. He was working for a big broker. It means someone they can rely on him. And he took their money. Okay, he took their money, and later it was just a scam. But 80 billion, it's a lot of money. You see how people are prepared to throw their money? Okay? So, you see how people, they are hypnotized by these guys on TV, on Facebook, on Twitter, or wherever they are, or some websites, okay? They are hypnotized. Now, since we are speaking about penny stocks, when we say manipulation, it means it is not a normal trading. It's not you see a stock according to your strategy, or you hear the news, or you have speculation, or you study the company and you know something good, so you want to trade or invest. This is normal. But what I'm talking about is not normal. What I'm talking about is people who they have a large people who follow them, okay, and they pretend they know something. They pretend they know the future, how the stock will double, okay, or triple. And sometimes, because they manipulate, you can see it. And when you see it, you believe more because you don't know trading. If tomorrow he tells you, oh, this stock will be doubling, it's $1, tomorrow you will see $2. It's true, because there is manipulation. He knows he has 100,000 or 1 million subscribers, or I don't know how many people he has. He just tell them a stock, and this stock will fly, especially when it is penny stock, small. He can't show them Facebook, okay? These guys, he can't show them Facebook or Google or Tesla or Amazon or big stocks, because he can't manipulate these stocks. These stocks needs 100, 200 billion, 300 billion a day in order to move these kind of stocks, to move them a little bit more. And if you go, for example, to Tesla or Facebook or Apple, you find, for example, 50 million, you find 100 million shares traded a day. But these are big traders, and the whole world is trading them. But they can't be manipulators. They can't. You can't go and manipulate Facebook, for example. Okay? So this is just an idea to show you that these kind of people, they don't manipulate known bigger stocks. Okay? Because if something happened in the big stocks, they should